Hello, good afternoon mga KaYo. Karon kay mahapit ta og kuan. Si Bossing nagpahapit og Jollibee. Gimingaw siya Jollibee. Chicken joy og spaghetti. So mahapit ta karon diri sa Seafood City. So ang Seafood City sa Pinoy grocery na merong mga merong pera padala like Yobiloy, I forgot the other one, and they have also food like putok-batok, mga pampahaba ng buhay and barbecues and everything. Pinoy food, turo-turo, and then groceries. So this Seafood City, it has Jollibee, Red Ribbon, and they have also like meat and fish. So let's go. It's been a while na I haven't vlog, so I guess this is the time that I can vlog. I'll show you the Seafood City. Ciao. So the weather is good. It's 62 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll show you around the place. Macy's. Okay, let's go. Pasok tayo sa Seafood City. That's Seafood City, and it's Jollibee and Red Ribbon. So ito yung loob niya, para ka rin nasa Pilipinas. They got all the vegetables, fruits, everything. And mostly nagtatrabaho dito mga Filipino. Ito yung padala nila. Logo and Yobiloy. Ihaw na tilapia. Sarap niyan. Ito yung mga pagkain nila na barbecue. Sarap yung hipon, no? Hipon, liempo, salmon. Sarap. Puro lang. So let's go. Ito naman ang sarap ng suman, oh. Kasapa. Ito na napili. Sarap. Oh, I'm good. Thank you. So that's Red Ribbon, and this is Jollibee. Welcome to Jollibee. Exit only, but I'm going in. mag-order tayo. We'll just keep on line. Mag-order muna ako. Okay. Babalikan ko kayo. I'm gonna get the bucket B. It has like 6-piece chicken. Where is it? Bucket treats like B. 6-piece chicken, jolly spaghetti, and then 3 pies. So I'm gonna get that one. It's gonna be like $41.99. Lahat dito mga Filipino. Yun yung kukunin. Okay, babalikan ko kayo. Yun yung harapan ko, red ribbon. Red ribbon naman is meron silang mga special cakes, palabok, dinuguan, empanadas. Yan, entrance yan. Parking lot. Order ko pala is like a bucket beef. Spicy lahat. 6 pieces chicken na spicy. Jolly spaghetti and 3 peach mango pie. Wala pa man naman. Antay-antay lang. Ito pala lahat ng lugar na may Jollibee dito sa buong mundo. Ayan, tumutunog na. Ready na yung order natin. Let's go pay it. Tumambay ako dito sa food court nila. So ito yung binili ko. Ang laman ng bucket beef treats. 3 peach mango pie. Gravy. Saka all spicy na chicken. 6 ang laman. Then the famous Jollibee spaghetti na matamis. Yan lang. Uwi na tayo habang bit-bit yung Jollibee. Yung mga pagkain nila. Sarap yung J-Props, oh. Yan. Mga pampahaba ng buhay. Palabo, buko. Yan laing paborito ko yan. Inihaw na puso po, sarap niya. Let's go. Uwi na tayo. Okay, time to go home. Bye mga kayo. I hope you have a good day. I'm having a good day. Bye.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe and follow. Much love from little Yas to each of you. Content creator, make